Hi! Good day, everybody. I am your teacher, Angeli, and I'm hoping that you're feeling well today because we will be discussing about the four basic operations. Are you familiar with that? It's addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. But don't worry if you are traumatic about mathematics. Don't worry because we will be making this learning fun so that you'll think that math is just like playing games. That is why I prepared an instructional material. Here, have you seen a calculator before? Okay, very good. Because this instructional material has a mini calculator here. But this doesn't work like the original one because instead of pressing the numbers or buttons, we will be placing it above. In the here. It's a container to indicate the number of pencils inside the container. And also for the answer, we will be pasting it here. And for the operations, we will be pasting it in the center. Okay, so are you ready? Yeah. So before we start using this, let us remember first the four basic operations. Okay, first we have addition. Addition, the cross sign. This means that we are putting things together to find out how many we have all together. Next is subtraction. So this means that we are taking away some from the group to see how many are left. And then next is the multiplication. So this means we are adding the same number many times. And next is the division. Yeah, division means we are sharing or splitting things into equal parts. Now, are you ready? Okay, very good. Let's try some examples using this instructional material. But before we start, I'm gonna teach you how this one works. Okay, so first I'll be reading questions. Actually, I'll be reading questions and then let's try to solve it together. Okay, let's try this. If Sarah gave you 3 pencils and you have 2 already, how many pencils do you have now? Okay, let's try to answer it. Okay, let's remove it first. If Sarah gave you 3 pencils, okay, 3 pencils, put them here. Oops. 3 pencils, and you have 2 already. Okay, 2. Let's put 2 colored pencils here. This is yours already. And then the question here is, how many pencils do you have now? So what are we gonna do? Let's add them together. Okay, let's put the addition sign in the center. Okay, here. And the number of pencils. Okay, for this one we have 3. 3, and the other one that you have is 2. Now let's try to solve it. We can actually count them. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer of 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Yes, very good. So now we can paste the number 5 here. Okay, so that is how it works for the addition. Now let's try another example. Are you ready? Okay, but before we start again, let's put them back to its original position. Here, and then here, and then here. Now, let's try reading another question. Let's try this one. You bought 4 pencils. 4, okay? And your friend gave you 5 more. How many pencils do you have altogether? Okay, 4 plus 5. So you bought 4. Let's add more. Again, 4. and then your friend gave you 5. 5, okay, 3, 4, sorry, 4 and 5. Yeah, 5. Now let's label it. 4 and 5. And the question is, how many pencils do you have altogether? From the word altogether, it means you will add them all. So we will still be using the addition, the cross sign here. So now let's solve. 4 plus 5 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer of 4 plus 5 is 9. Yay! That is correct. So let's paste the number 9 here. Okay. So now that we're done with the addition, let's try solving the subtraction. So okay, we will still be using this. Okay, let's try reading. Okay, you have 7 pencils and you give 3 to your friend. How many are left? Okay, that is so mabait of you to give. Sure. Okay, 5 here. Let's just put them back again so that we can be able to answer again. Okay. Yeah. So the question is, you have 7 pencils now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, oops, and 7. Let's remove them. But you gave 3 to your friend, so it will be minus, oh my god, minus 3. So let's try. 7 minus 3. So let's add 3 here. Minus 3. Yes. 1. Oh my gosh. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Sorry guys. 2, 3. So the question is, how many are left? Now we can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer of 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Oh no, 4. Yeah, this 1. So it's just easy, right? Do you want another example? Okay, let's try another one. Let's just remove them first. 7, 3, okay, 4. Now let's try another example for subtraction. Okay, the minus sign. Okay, let's try this. No, this one. Let's try to pick the blue one. Okay, there are 10 pencils and 4 are broken. How many pencils can you still use? Okay, then that's so daghan, so many. Let's count. 1, 2, oh my gosh, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, the question is, if 10 down plus 4 na broken, how many pencils can you still use? Let's try to put 10 here. Okay, 10. Yeah, and then 4 are broken. So 4. So the question will be 10 minus 4. Now let's try to solve them. Let's get 4 from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer will be, let's try to count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, again. 10 minus 4, the answer is 6. Yay! So that is how it works. This works for subtraction. Now, let's try multiplication. Okay, so now we will be doing the multiplication. So this sign, the X sign. Okay, so let's try to solve one problem first. Okay, here. Example. You have 2 pencils in a set and you bought 3 sets. How many pencils do you have in total? Okay, so you have 2 pencils now. 2 pencils in a set and you bought 3 sets. So sa usa ka set kay naay duha ka pencils. Now let's try if napalit kag tulo. Okay, here lang. Tulo na siya ka sets, no? And then duha dapat kada usa niya. So what we're gonna do is let's try to multiply kada usa nila kay mahimong duha igabot ari. Okay? So usa ni siya since duha man puna na to siya usa. Ano na siya, multiply mo siya, nahimo siyang isa, and then, ay, nahimo siyang duha, kanasa, nahimo siyang duha, that's it, and this one, 2, so ano na siya ang answer. So, di ba, ang question ato kay, na kay 2 pencils in a set, and then, tulo ka set ang inyong divide. So, ano siya, tulo ka sets. So, the answer di ay, so 2 times 3 is equal to, ano siyang answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So the answer of 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Yay! You are so magaling. So that is how this instructional material works for multiplication. So do you want to try another example? Okay, let's try another example. So let's put them back. 3 and 2. Now let's read another problem to solve. You draw 3 pencils per day for 4 days. Huh? Okay. How many pencils did you use in total? So 3 pencils daw per day. Na upat siya ka adlaw. So let's try. 1, 2, 3. Example kan siya mo ni siyang imong 3 pencils kada adlaw. Na kaupaton ni mo ang 3 pencils kay for 4 days man daw. Pila man daw ka pencils did you use in total? So, kung kaupaton na mo, may siyang 3 times 4. Right? So, magutan ta here. 3 times, oh my gosh, 4. Now, let's try to solve this using this instructional material that I've made. Okay, so 3 times 4. Okay, here, mahimo siya dapat og 4. So, isa na siya na 1, 2, 3, 4. And kanas ang usa, punan na to siya para mahimo siyang 4. Okay, siya 1, 2, 3, and 4. Dapat nag-upat siya, mahimong siyang upat. Kanisa, di mo ansan natin siyang 4. So, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, we have the answer. Dagan na sa, okay, 3 times 4 is equal to, let's count. 1, kauna lang na ito, pwede tanong libog. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, oh my goodness, 10, 11, and 12. So we have 12 colored pencils. So the answer of 3 times 4 is equal to 12. Very good. Okay, let's put them. So 12 here. So this is the answer. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. Now, do you want another example? Okay, let's proceed to division na lang. Sige. Because you already understand man pa ha. Very good. Clap na lang for yourself. Amazing, right na clap. 1 to 3, 1 to 3, 1 to 3. Amazing, right? Yay. Very good. Now, let's proceed to division. You know, this one is a little bit different to the others because we won't be using the containers. But I'm going to show you other ways. We can still use the colored pencils. But this is only for small numbers lang. So if you want to learn division budget, I'm gonna teach you. I'm gonna make another video for that. Okay? So yeah, let's try. Remove sa natin ni Sarah. Guide lang yun natin sa ang arisa. Tumoy, okay? May mo numbers. Sorry. Sige, okay rin natin. Mas challenging siya ano siya, numbers. Okay, now let's try to answer for the division. Okay, here. You have 12 pencils and want to share them equally with 3 friends. Tulo ka friends, imong share sa 12 nimo ka pencils. So, di ba, 12 man eh. Ato ni siyang bahinon og katulo. Kay, 3 man daw imong friends na imong bahinon. So, mo na siya. The question is, how many pencils does each friend get? Okay, let's put half na daw kay 12. And then, diba? And then, i-divide mo siya o katulo. Okay, tulo man, kaning tulo man yung mga friends nga tagaan mo sa imong colored pencils. So here, so mis nakabuok ha. And then, ibahin mo katulo. You can actually, tulo. One, isa na sa iya ha. And then, okay, para mas makita. Okay, ganun. Here. Like that. So, tulo ni sila, each one represents their friends. So, isabot sa iya ha. Ako sa i-count ha, if 12 pa dyan yung nabot niya. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, lapas siya. Okay, mo na siya. I-divide na to siya sa mga tulo ka friends. So, inaon na mo siya pag-divide. Imo silang i-distribute fairly. Dapat fair dyan siya. Okay. So, the answer of 12 divided by 3 is equal to... Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 4. Now let's check if everybody okay, naka 4 ba jud ka pencils. Okay, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 iyahan. Then the other friend. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's how it works. So division means you are dividing it fairly. Now, do you want another example? Okay, let's try another example. Here. Okay, you have 18 pencils na lang. 18 na naghanda. Yeah, but you want to put them in groups of 6. Okay, so mayroon siyang 18 divided by 6. Here. So, mag-count sa tag-18 ka pencils. Okay ha? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have more. 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, 18 ay sobra pa. Yeah. So, 18 divided by 6. Dapat maglatag tag 6 ka. 6 ka pens sa groups man. I mean, okay, group man na to nito 6, right? So, here. Okay, naman siya. 1, group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, group 5, and group 6. Ilayo na to sila gamoy para di sila magkasagol. Okay, and then divide man mo siya into 6. Tagan na to sila tagsa. Yes, this is how it is. So, it's so linga. Okay, divide na to into 6. Tagsa na sila, guys. So, we have the answer na. 18 divided by 6 is equal to... Tara! 1, 2, 3. So, the answer is 3. Here. 3 ang answer. Let's see if 3 ba dito ang tanan. So, 3 iya ha. 3 is that 3 and 3 and 3. So the pencils are divided equally. That is how it works, huh? Now that you already understand, okay, you can try this at home. Or yeah, if you have stones there, you can try like segregating it, counting them, dividing, subtracting. You can apply it to anything. So this is just something that makes it even more mas malingaw ka because it's colorful and it has numbers and constants ka. I hope that you learned a lot today. Daghan kaayo actually of ways para magamit nimo to ng mga operations. So kani siya is just one of the ways. I hope you learned a lot. So math can be fun and we can learn while playing. So, and of course, by using our colored pencils. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed learning with me about the 4 basic operations. Remember that practice makes you better. And math is just like a game. So keep practicing and have fun. Thank you.